Good afternoon. Welcome to Gears Do Yourself Garage. You pull over here to our address and these gates are open. That means somebody's here ready to welcome you. If you pull up here and these gates are closed, well then we're probably out getting parts, tools, doing some other business stuff, and we need to call ahead and make an appointment. Apologize for that. Or you can go online on our website and schedule an appointment through our system on our website. Phone number is listed right there if you lose it. So you come here to the garage, pull inside, find a parking space. There's plenty of them. Come on in here to the front door here. If we don't welcome you here, this is where you go. It's the front desk, nice little waiting area, and the garage. Some nice person to be here, welcome you in, make sure we know what's going on, what lift we're going to, schedule to lift, okay? We should have already looked up on the computer your make, model, year. You can pull up the lift points if you're using a lift, figure out a safe way to lift it. We'll talk about all that. So then we got a little paperwork to do. Our little liability form here. You go in here, sign your life away, the last page. Boop. Then we'll have you put you into the computer system here, get you in that. And then, so once you have all that figured out, go back into your vehicle. You're gonna bring it around to the back door. See, everybody's facing here. We'll open up the door for you, let you come inside. We'll have the ACs going for you, nice and cool in here. Shut the doors behind you. Wait for us to guide you in. So in this case, using this bay, I'll guide you in here. Okay, right, left, bring it in, stop. Like I said, we'll look up the lift points, make sure everything's safe. We'll pull these arms out, get it squared away, make sure it's safe, lift it up. We'll actually test it. Push on it, make sure it's safe again. Then we'll go up to your height and you do whatever you need to do. And once you're done with that, oh, by the way, need to talk about this. Every bay in here, whatever you rent, lift, flat bay, comes with a box of tools. I'm gonna keep talking about this because not everybody knows we got tools here. Lots of them. All this comes with any bay rental here at Gears Do Yourself Garage. All these are come with it. And they're all shadowed, so you can easily tell what's missing or whatever. I'm gonna check it before and after you're done. Make sure everything's accounted for. And when you're done, you'll back over to the desk, the computer, check out if you haven't already online. Bam, you're done. Come back next time. So anyway, that's the skinny on Gears Do Yourself Garage. Self-service. Thank you.